Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a gel polish review video for you. Nail art Momo Polish Lovcarrie contacted me and asked me if I would like to try some of their gel polishes. You can usually get these at AliExpress. Unfortunately, I do not purchase from AliExpress any longer, but they were still kind enough and they did send me these 6 gel polishes to review them for you. I do not have any links, they did not provide me any, but I will reach out to them one more time and ask them if they can send me the links where you can purchase these from AliExpress if you are interested, or you can always just type in into the search box there Momo gel polish or Lovcarrie gel polish and they should come up for you. I was very excited to try them and the colors that they sent me all really pretty. I already swatched them all and for the most part I give you a hint that I really like them, but I will of course share with you at the end of the video my thought and if I would recommend them to you. Just a reminder, all of these gel polishes are gel polishes, even though Lovcarrie does not necessarily state it anywhere on the bottle, but it's a completely blackened out bottle, so I kind of figured that they will be gel polishes as well, but I did have to confirm with the company just to be on the safe side. So you will definitely need a UV or LED light with these. If you like this review video, then don't forget to thumbs it up for me, and of course if you're new on my channel and you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, then I would also appreciate if you do so before you leave. Okay, so now I will jump into the swatches for you and then I will be back and share with you my thoughts on them. So for my final thoughts, as I gave you a hint at the beginning, I actually really do like these gel polishes. They were all opaque in 2 coats, except for I think in pink, which is also kind of my least favorite in general, because one, it's a pink gel polish or pink color, and the consistency of this one was very jelly-like. As you could see, I could not get it opaque. I only showed you 2 coats, but I'm pretty sure the 3rd coat would have not changed much. I do believe that one is more for French nail type manicures, but if you like to see your nails kind of peeking through the polish, I am pretty sure you will enjoy it. Just in general, these gel polishes or these pink polishes are really not my cup of tea, and it just comes to preference. Other than that, I really loved everything. The Lovcarrie gel polishes are stunning. Every single nude color I loved. And from the Momo gel polishes, the very first one, the kind of like the ox blood red that doesn't have a name, was my favorite. But I do believe that they are really good gel polishes. I'm not sure how much they cost. As I said, I do not have, or I don't go to AliExpress anymore, but I assume that they are pretty inexpensive. I just prefer a Born Pretty store or Beauty Big Bang for purchasing my nail art supplies. Let me know, guys, in the comment section below which one was your favorite, and if you would be checking these out at AliExpress. It's just my personal preference that I don't go to that website any longer, but in the past I used to purchase from there quite a lot. Alright, I think that's it for this quick outro. That's it. So thank you so much, guys, for being here today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.